Sure, what's up guys, it's Harwin and I'm out here at the Flatbush Plaza in Hartford, Connecticut to try out Fuego Picante food truck. A food truck that's dishing out authentic Mexican tacos. I'm extremely excited about this. I'm extremely excited to show you guys another food adventure of mine. So ping, 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 let's get it.
But he's the one that really persevered. He's the one that's, you know, for the last couple of years, he's been out there, rain or shine, he's made it. And part of it is because his cuisine is next to none.
I'm inside the truck to try out the Birria tacos, a special that they only do on Saturday afternoons. It's made by dipping the flour tortillas in a base of beef oils, laid out on the skillet and topped off with 3 cheeses, mouth-watering beef, then finished off with onions and cilantro.
So it's a mix of different chilies, spices. So has to be cooked for at least 8 hours.
Wow, nice and caramelized too. Already. You can tell that cheese melted.
Yeah. 2, 3. You got 3 tacos.
Consomme.
You got the consomme here.
Pure concentrate right there.
Oh, forgot almost the most important. Hot sauce.
Can't forget that.
You don't see this logo, it's not that good.
Really excited for this birria tacos, some burritos. I'm about to order like 12 tacos, 2 burritos, man. From San Diego, so I'm used to eating stuff like this.
Hi, I'm Rocio. I'm from Tijuana, Mexico, and I love birria. I haven't had it in a long time, so I'm really looking forward to it. I heard it's really good, so I'm really excited.
Quesadilla right here. That consomme, fire. Oh, dripping too. Yo.
It's good?
Mm-hmm. Just like home, yo. Hell yeah.
Yes, sir. How does it compare to LA or San Diego at that?
Just the same, bro. Just as good. Hell yeah.
Tastes like Mexico.
It's just like it. Dude, finally.
It's legit.
And where in Mexico would you get Birria tacos? Would you get in Tijuana or no?
Of course, Tijuana is the capital of tacos of all the world.
Okay, that's good to know.
That's a northern Mexico thing.
Wow. So I'm definitely excited about that. Wow. Jeez. And I'm gonna open up this fiery salsa that he was talking about. It's laid on 2 of the tacos. I'm gonna just have 1 plain and 1 dipped in that Birria consomme. Look at that. I have no words. I have no words. This knocks it out the park for me. You got this nice stringy cheese that really plays well into the flour tortillas. Shredded beef that really melts in your mouth. The super concentrated of consomme in the beef birria, and the extra add-on of beef into the birria sauce. It's absolutely amazing. The nice caramelization around the flour tortilla from the skillet really brings out the flavors and adds a level of texture and flavor that you don't normally see in a regular taco. They only make this once a week because they don't want to send out saturated product, which I respect, because the trend right now is birria tacos. So It'll be anyone's favorite as a taco vendor to be serving this every day, but if you serve this every day and it's not the best of product, and obviously that's not the way it should be. So I respect that. They only do this once a week. So here's this with the salsa. The consomme is so rich, but it's a nice beef flavor that doesn't overpower the whole birria taco. I'm telling you, that crispiness with the cheese and put on the skillet really brings it to top tier tacos in my opinion.
With Patty taking orders, Homar leading the way by cooking and his main man helping him out, then Jackie finishing the orders and giving them out to the customers. This is the ultimate 4x1 team of food efficiency. Mind you, this was early Saturday afternoon and there was already a line the whole block. 15 birria tacos at a time with other specialty tacos being made as well. They are just phenomenal to watch in their natural element, and I am truly honored to be in their presence.
¿Y algún otro cosecito?
A ver, esto ya está.
21, 27.
¿Qué más
Te lo
falta
estoy
ahí?
dejando más barato porque la computadora no me está grabando.
Ahí
Yo estoy
está.
tratando de hacerlo con
Estas, son estas tres.
Can't do the lobster?
lobster burrito.
Tacos.
Okay, they come in 3.
Okay. You see, I was in that food truck, absorbing all those aromas and flavors in the air. Oh, them shrimps, big shrimps, baby boy. And these aren't little chunks either. This is the whole claw meat. So cheers guys, Fuego Picante. Sweet, buttery, soft and chewy pieces of lobster. Jimmy, what do you think of the beef birria tacos?
Amazing. The way that the cheese comes off, crazy.
A cheese pull every single bite.
Thumbs up.
You guys are doing phenomenal. I'm honored to be back here. Thank you guys, I appreciate it.
Don't forget, Wednesday we have to try more.
Wednesday I'm gonna come here. I just ate about 7 big boy tacos all day long. I am full, I am tapped out, and on Wednesday I am coming back to try the Al Pastor, which I'm extremely excited about. So stay tuned, because that's coming up right now.
Those are the most traditional tacos in Mexico City. So if you ever go to Mexico City, it's a must-to-have taco, Al Pastor. Al Pastor is marinated in different chilies, dry chilies, vinegar, pineapple juice, achiote paste, serrano pepper. That's a little, that's like a Pandora box.
Yeah.
Sometimes could be sweet, sometimes could be very spicy. So for the lobster items, either tacos, quesadilla, or burritos, it's already poached, so we just warm it up in butter.
Wow.
So just, warm it up. Don't kill the lobster. Shrimp tacos or shrimp burritos, the shrimp is cooked to order. We don't want it, like pre-cook a shrimp, leave it there sitting all day.
Yeah, it gets its rubbery texture.
Seafood is something that is very, very
Delicate.
Yeah. You have to treat it like a little baby. We're sharing our secrets with everybody.
Oh man. Sharing the secrets, but I don't think anyone could do it the Fuego Picante way. The way I'm experiencing right now. Just like that. Wow.
Oh, that's what you get. So he's gonna finish it up over there. It's gonna be shredded lettuce on the side.
Yeah. Little pico.
Pico de gallo.
Wow.
And sorry, that's okay. You get your sour cream, hot sauce, and my sauce. Woo! That's all about
That looks amazing. Oh my.
food. People look at your food
Yeah.
and say, wow, that looks good. And once they try it, you know, that's good because we want them to have their money worth it.
Yeah.
People to be happy that they say, oh, I paid $10, I paid $12 for this. It's worth it. When you get five pieces of shrimp.
Oh wow. A little steak and onion.
Yeah.
Wow.
So you see, you get more of the protein than the, the complement. Roll it here.
Just like that. You made it look so simple. But it definitely is more difficult than people think.
I usually spend all day prepping.
Wow.
From like 8 o'clock in the morning. Sometimes, believe me, I go to bed 5 o'clock in the morning.
Oh.
Like I say, on Saturday you see, we were like very busy.
Jam-packed.
Like very busy.
And I just have to salute you guys because that Saturday was one of the busiest days I've seen. It was, it was a rainy day at the start. It slowly got warmer. You guys just were knocking it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it looked like the ultimate 4x1 team. If I were to put this as a 4x1 team, it would be Jamaica or Usain Bolt. That's how I think of it because the way you guys operated was truly remarkable from an outsider looking in. And I truly commend you guys for that.
So like I said, definitely, this is not a business for everybody.
No.
This is a business for people who love food, who love cooking. I mean, I love food.
That is awesome. And as far as like the Al Pastor Al Scramble, when did you incorporate this into your menu? It was fairly recently, right?
Yes, it's about, let's say, 2 weeks.
Oh, that's it?
This is the third week.
Wow.
It look good, man. 555 Harvard for getting this for us, man.
Shout out to 555 Harvard.
Nah, you guys
This stuff is good, man.
Nah, they know what they doing.
CT on top, man.
It's like
take a bite of that pepper though. This is
different.
it's just a little bit heat, nothing too crazy.
It's the good cake that, it's gonna go in soon.
Yeah. But overall, what would you guys give the Fuego Picante food truck?
Out of
I'm
10?
giving this probably like a 9.5 out of 10.
9.5,
Alright,
9%.
that's what I like to hear, man.
They doing their thing.
Yep.
Straight Hartford, man. Yes, sir. So it's about that time, ladies and gentlemen. This is day 2 of eating at the Fuego Picante food truck. Super nice, crisp, and it's really buttery lobster. That is what I am talking about, guys. On this flaky tortilla, this butter complements it so well. Really, really crispy on the outside, but inside you get this nice melted 3-level cheese. 3 different cheeses in there, and you taste this nice mellow and nutty flavor from the cheeses as well. All complements the lobster. Bite out of this.
ladies and gentlemen, get this burst of textures and flavors coming out of there. Super soft rice. We got the nice beans inside that give it a nice mellow flavor. With the shrimp, steak and onions, just give you this burst of Mexican flavor that you taste in every single bite. And something that I love, the difference of temperatures from the guac and rice really play well. And I am super happy about this. And last but not least, do you guys see that? That caramelized pineapple from that al pastor al trampo. Oh yeah. Caramelized pork from the skillet, from being pan-seared. Just looks beautiful. So cheers, guys. Again, Fuego Picante food truck has shown me insane hospitality. Some of the most humble and hardworking people I've ever met in my life. So I'm extremely excited to highlight this business. So on that note, guys, it's my first bite. It's like someone threw a barbecue right in my mouth. Burst of charred and smoky flavors, but also really juicy pork comes out of there. The flavors that he marinated with give it a little bit of acidity. The caramelized pineapple give it this little hint of sweetness. Oh my, Jackie, I just want to say thank you guys so much. Oh my God, one of the best experiences I've ever had in my life, I have to say. I'm humbled by you guys' story and the food that you're putting out. I know it's going to be a staple here in Hartford and who knows where else, and not only Connecticut but in the country. So I just want to say thank you for that.
Fuego Picante creates an aura that is immensely strong, an experience that goes beyond just the food. You feel the tradition in every single bite, the connection they have with every customer, and the love that they showed me in the 2 days that I was there is something I would never forget in my lifetime. With Homar leading the way with his take on traditional Mexican food and fearlessness of trying something new, Fuego Picante is here to leave its mark on the culinary world, and I am just excited to be witnessing it.
Stay tuned for next time. Pang, I'm out.